everyone, I'm Joshua Clem with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install trim casing on a door that's adjacent to an inside corner. For this we're going to be using a 1x4 piece of trim, a carpenter's pencil, and a trim gun hooked to an air compressor. You will also need a tape measure. You're also going to need a way to rip these down, whether it be going to a hardware store, going over to a friend's house, or seeing if your friend will let you borrow their tools. The first thing you want to do is place the trim in the corner. Make sure that the back of the trim is facing out. That way you can put a line on the face of the trim. After you cut it, you spin it around and place the cut side against the corner. That way you can caulk that corner and nobody will know you even cut the wood. Make sure you have a nice thick line on there. After you have your line, go ahead and measure the height of the door jamb and place it on the piece of wood. This line is going to mark the start of your ankle, the lowest side. And what I like to do as a reminder is put a little line going up. That way you know your 45-degree angle goes up. As you see here, this goes down at a different angle than the rest of it because our wall isn't quite square. So it's a good thing we put that line on the back instead of just measuring it. Now with this piece of wood, you want to take and measure the width of it here so you know how much to cut off your top board. Take your tape measure and measure how much you need to cut off. Then, taking your top piece, go ahead and put a mark of what needs to be cut off. You want to cut this straight across. And here's the piece after it's been cut. Now after you have all your pieces cut, you want to go ahead and tack them into place. After you get everything tacked into place and you like the way it looks, go ahead and finish nailing it off. I'm Joshua Clem with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to put up trim casing in a door adjacent to an inside corner. And thanks for watching.